What's up guys, my name is Andy. Here we are, we made it to the end of 2022 and I want to do a summary video or a recap video of all of the things that we had done to my 66 Mustang to see if we screwed it up or if we made it better. Let's take a look. Wow, that was a lot of parts. That was a lot of changes and upgrades to this car. As I was putting this video together, going through all that stuff, I started to think about everything that I had done, and you know, if I was asked, I might do a couple of those parts differently. You know, for the most part, the car is where I want it to be. We're going in the right direction for what I would like to do, but I might change a couple things if I was given the opportunity. But other than that, guys, so that is 2022, and a big part of how we did this year was you guys. You know, a lot of new subscribers this year, a lot more views than the past, and ultimately that's actually turning into help on my channel, and it allows me to do more with this car, and I appreciate it. I couldn't do it without you guys. You know, this is an expensive hobby. You guys know that, and I've thrown a lot of money at this car getting it going, but at the same time, you guys are helping me out, and I appreciate that. Speaking of which, you guys have helped me out on my website, KruseBuilt.com. I've got those wheel caps for the American racing wheels that I have. I designed my own cap. I'm selling those now. Several of you guys have already bought them, which is fantastic. Again, that helps me out, and it's actually helping me to keep moving forward with that. I've got some more parts that I'm designing right now, and they're actually being made right now, so that'll be coming through, and I've got some merch, some t-shirts and stuff coming through, so you guys want to keep your eyes peeled for that. Keep checking the website and helping me out there, and I appreciate it because it helps me with this car and keeping things going, and it's fantastic, and I really appreciate it. Again, I couldn't do it without you guys. I know everybody says that in their videos, but honestly, that's where we're at. You guys are helping me keep this project going, and I appreciate that. So 2023, another great year coming forward. We got, again, the parts that we're doing in this car, the recent thing that, you know, the big part, the motor swap, going from a 289 to the 347. A lot of you guys are anxious to see that, so am I. And so that'll be kind of a fun, exciting part of 2023. And I'm looking forward to it. So guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out. And we'll see you in the next one.